Check the first link in the info box down below. Get your very own Swamp Family pop socket today. They are available in the standard pop socket and a mirrored pop socket where you can have 1 and 2 times mirror magnification. Get yours today, limited time only. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, very excitingly, I think a bug bit me. Can you guys see? Hi. Y'all, I finally figured it out. I have to stop filming on the floor because the camera is always wanting to focus on the onion babies back here, plus Big Baby, plus Nameless Lady back here. No, all those faces the camera would rather focus on and track than mine. But speaking of my face, you guys, I think a bug bit me in the middle of the night. You know what? Under all this studio lighting, you can't really see, but I woke up and my face is like so itchy on this side. Breaking news. I know. Also, I just sprayed perfume on this necklace and I feel like you're not supposed to spray perfume directly onto pearls. Isn't that like grandmotherly type of advice? I don't know. Anyway, you guys, sippy. Today, we're going to be talking about a thing that you guys know that I love, stationery and planners. Although I feel like I haven't talked much about planners probably since the beginning of this year. I know that I did you know what, I didn't even call it like Hobonichi. I got a bunch. I just bit my mouth as I was talking. I got a bunch of really commonly talked about items and supplies in the stationery planner community. So it was kind of like a video like that. But in that video, I did show you guys my Hobonichi planner, which was my first experience with a Hobonichi ever. I got the Pickles the Frog Hobonichi. I feel like I'm going to be saying Hobonichi a lot in this video. So that's the first thing I'm just going to show you guys because once again, they did it again, much to the joy of my life. There is a Pickles the Frog planner for 2022. I almost keep wanting to say 2222. I guess I'm just living in that year. So this is the weeks planner. Now that's the only thing is I do usually, well, what I ended up doing this year is I used my Hobonichi weeks like in conjunction with another like larger planner. I'm always just like writing stuff down like crazy. So that's my only complaint is I wish Hobonichi offered the Pickles planner in some other larger sizes. I think it's called Hobonichi Techo. I always want to call it Techno. That's like the larger one. So, but they don't. So this is the design for 2222, the year that I'm inhabiting. I was gonna do an unboxing for this. I planned on doing an unboxing and I was getting a bunch of packages from Japan and I accidentally unboxed this already. I took it out and I was like, oh yeah, that thing you were gonna make a video about. I know that I definitely have some fellow Pickles the Frog lovers out there. So you get the special little thing in the front and the back of the planner, and then the special Pickles item for this year is this really cute ruler. Hopefully you guys can see. You know what, I'm just gonna hold it up like that so you guys can hopefully see the little frogs on there better. So it's like a ruler and like a little tab thing that would stick out of the top of your planner. Every year with the special Hobonichi weeks, at least it looks like, you get like a little bonus item. Like I was really tempted to get the Doraemon one, and in that one you got like, I think it was a ruler also, but it had like little stencil shapes that you could do as well. And now I can't remember what the special item was last year. There's not much other like Pickles branding throughout this planner until you get literally to this like little back section. So this is what the weekly spread looks like, just in case you guys haven't seen it before. So this is like all the space you get for the individual weekdays, and then you get like this little notes area. So then here's like your monthly spread. And then you get like all this, which I think is great. I use this space a lot. It's just like free graph paper section. And then when you get all the way back here, they give you, it's all in Japanese. So unfortunately I can't like really read what it's saying, but you do get some of the Pickles characters back here. Little focusing. Thank y'all so much. So not a lot, you know, you kind of have to do your own Pickles stuff, but just the cover is worth it to me because you guys, I love Pickles so much, and I feel like unfortunately he is kind of getting a little bit more and more difficult to collect here, and that's just because a lot of stores, like I think the first time I ever saw Pickles the Frog, it was actually at our local Sanrio store here in the Galleria, and that store like literally doesn't even exist anymore. Anyway, I thought it would be fun today to open this stuff with you guys because I think that this is one of the rarest Hobonichi setups that there is, and I feel like since we talk about like stationery and planners and stuff, also I have to open all these packages because I am like trying to gather people's Christmas presents together. So I got this for my mom. My mom loves little tiny planners. Like every year I was getting her a Gudetama planner, and Sanrio has not come out with Gudetama, I think, for like 2 years now. So last year she had one that was like the same size. It was Winnie the Pooh. And I looked again this year for the Gudetama one, and I don't know, I feel like Gudetama is still like really popular amongst the canon of Sanrio characters, so I have no idea why there's no Gudetama planners. Well, there is, but it's like a giant one. I don't know. So my mom loves little tiny planners, and she also loves bears. Like mostly she loves Duffy, but she loves like any kind of like stiff bears, just like teddy bears. She has like a whole collection. As I was trying to browse for what planner I was gonna get for my mom this year, I went down the Hobonichi rabbit hole, and I discovered that there was like a whole set of Hobonichi weeks, the same size I just showed you guys, which I think that this is like a pretty tiny planner. I think like the Gudetama ones are usually like halfway this small. They're not as tall. But yeah, I don't know. I thought she would just really like it. I found a Hobonichi Weeks Stife setup. And so that's what we're going to be going through today. I had to buy different pieces of it. The first piece I was able to get on Amazon Japan. Another piece of it I was able to get on normal Amazon, and then the last piece of it came through eBay. So let's open this box that I keep swinging around first. This is the Amazon Japan box. This feels like very lightweight. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be not that lightweight. Oh my God, also, I got this frog. This just looked like such a cute little thing. If y'all know what this comes from, let me know. This is maybe the most random video I've made in a long time. Planners, frogs with planners. What character is this? That's what his hang tag says. That's what his other hang tag says. He looks like he would have like a lot of frog wisdom to tell me. And I don't know that I have another like frog that looks like that. Anyway, enough with the frogs, back with the planners. This is what the box looks like, and this is gonna be the cover for the planner. So like I just have a clear cover on mine. This is gonna be a very special cover. Oh my gosh. This comes off right here, and I hope that I'm not going to be misunderstanding this item and have bought the same thing twice. So it seems like, why does this one have teeth? What am I missing out on? You guys, look at that. Why does this bear have teeth? What the heck? So I guess maybe these are like even planner bags. That's like personally something I've always wanted to get, but I just haven't found one that I feel like really fits any of my 1,000 aesthetics that I have. But they have like little Hobonichi, like where you can keep all of your planner, like you can keep your planner and like other supplies like pens and tabs and stuff inside the little bag, and I feel like that would be great to have, but I don't know, I haven't found any that aren't like baby blue or baby pink. So this is where The planner cover. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's furry. It's literally like a teddy bear. So it actually has like the Stife tag on it. And it's just so fuzzy. It's so cute. So let's open it up. It has snaps. And then, oh my gosh, yeah, this is great. Okay, so that's really interesting. This is actually like an entire like wallet thing. It even has like a zippered area. And at first I thought this zipper was here for the next piece that I'm about to show you guys, but that is what this is for up here. So yeah, that's so cool. There's like a little slot for a pen in there. I mean, I feel like a lot of like planner covers traditionally are like that. I just feel like less and less you kind of see planners that are set up like that. I don't know why. I like them. Up next is the piece that I was just able to get on the normal Amazon because I was trying to see if they did a actual Stife Bear planner every year, but I don't think they do. I think that this was just an edition that they did in 2020. That's what the actual like Hobonichi Weeks planner looked like. But obviously like you're meant to be able to use this cover like year after year. So my mom loves purple. So I got her this. This is just a, I believe the actual color is called, yeah, it's called Grape. So this is just like my Hobonichi Weeks planner layout that I just showed you guys, except for there's not gonna be like any Pickles stuff in there. It's just gonna be standard Hobonichi Weeks. So if you guys want to get a Hobonichi planner, I think that this was like $22 on, you know, regular Amazon Prime. And then the last piece, I'm like excited and nervous about this. I just paused for a second because they like literally taped the entirety of this box is like wrapped in thick tape. So I'm a little bit nervous about this because what this is going to be is the matching Hobonichi Stife Bear keychain. It's meant to match this color of teddy bear, and it's supposed to be what you clip on to the exterior of this like planner cover to make it really look more like teddy bear themed. So I ordered it from this eBay seller. And then they messaged me back within a couple of hours and they're like, oh, we actually don't have that item, but we do have this one, but it's like a little bit more expensive. I don't know. It just seemed like kind of weird. But I had already ordered this and I didn't just want to get that with like no bear. I don't know. I hope it's going to be real. I hope it's going to be cute, and I hope my mom's going to love it. And I hope I don't like accidentally slice my finger trying to get in this box. All right, you guys. He's so tiny. Here it is. House. This is the little Stife house for your little Stife Bear keychain. I think I'm gonna put this together in just one second. And then here he is. So I guess this is something that they kept making because that was the other thing, is he acted like this was a newer version. Y'all, I guess I come here today with just teddy bears and no information. All right. Moment of bear truth. Oh my gosh. He looks like he's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh. There he is. Look at his little face. There's his little tag, which kind of gets in the way of his little face because he is so little. And then, oh, that's so cool. So this is actually like a little ceramic charm on his stomach. If you ever get Stife bears, they come with like little paper charms, but this one is like ceramic, so it won't get damaged when you're carrying it around, but it still looks like, you know, an authentic Stife. Look, that matches like perfectly. So this did come in, I think, 3 different colorways, but I swear this one was called chocolate, so I thought she would like that best. So there he is. That's the whole setup. I mean, obviously like with no tags and stuff. Imagine it with no tags, because obviously like that doesn't look very cute. There's his little house. His cute little house. So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna take these things apart because I feel like it would be more fun to like wrap them separately. I decided to go ahead and just slightly tuck my Pickles planner in there so you guys could kind of get a feel more for what it looks like. I don't have it like placed in there perfectly because I do have a clear cover on mine and I don't really think that that would slide into well. I just tried, but like honestly I didn't want to like crease up my Pickles planner because I feel like the covers are a lot more flexible until you have like this clear case, which you can order these like just clear covers on regular Amazon as well. I think it's so cute. It snaps on the tightest snap when you have like a blank planner in there. And you guys have to let me know, like I'm a person where like I shove a lot of stuff in my planner, so eventually it does like thicken up quite a bit. So I'd probably have to loosen it to the second snap by year's end, but hey, I guess that's why they give you the option. I feel like this case is like cooler than I thought it would be. I didn't really know that it was gonna have like all of these like wallet sections and stuff because maybe you would just take this as your wallet. I feel like you could just put like your driver's license and like a little bit of cash or whatever you needed in here and then just like take this with you. I don't know. Let me know. What do you guys think about stuff like that? I remember I always was like super into, why was I like that as a student? I don't know. I always loved going to class with the least amount of items possible. I would get down to where I would take like a planner and a driver's license and show up to class. I don't know why that was like a little competition I had going on with myself inside of my mind. Is anybody else like that? I feel like I would do stuff like that like my sophomore and junior year, and then my senior year I would have a backpack that was just full of the most random, like a Stretch Armstrong or something for no reason in particular. What was that little story? I don't know. Today's video, a little bit random. I'm like kind of bringing you guys along with me today as I'm planning for Christmas, wrapping for Christmas. I also keep thinking about doing a video where I test out like 5 wrapping paper gadgets or like present wrapping. It's not all just wrapping paper, but it's like 5 gadgets that's supposed to make like your present wrapping go smoother. I don't know. Would you guys be interested in that? I feel like that's like a December video. Anyway, I will see you guys again very, very soon. But until I do, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. Also, don't forget, check all the links in the info box down below. It will take you guys to my Swamp Family pop sockets, as well as my Snapchat show that I upload every Monday, every Thursday, and of course to my TikTok, which is TikTok at Graveyard Girl. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!